Sir, 2 days may not be enough. At least give me a week.
The project is running behind schedule time. You have already taken 5 additional takes. Sorry, but there's no scope for any further extension.
Sir, this project of bank website is complicated. Yet I have completed the inner layers, but I need some extra time because my other team members are on leave. I have devoted myself to this project for past 3 months. Please, sir.
Abu, you're a sincere employee. I appreciate your hard work. But client's expectation must be met till the scheduled time. Make your efforts count. You can do this.
The 2 days are not.
Whatever help you require, let me know. All I can say is give your best in the next 2 days. But sir, I think you should better resume your work now.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Yeah, I will take care of it. And one thing, send me the related modules and SRS so that I can compare the functionalities. Okay, I have to work damn tight now. Bye. Hi, Bhumi.
Hi, how's my baby doing?
Hey, I can't come. I have to complete my project soon.
Project. Don't you have any personal life? I don't want any excuse. You have to come anyhow.
Try to understand, Bhumi. I have got less than 48 hours to complete the project. We'll celebrate your birthday once I'm done with it.
I know nothing. And if you are not coming tomorrow, then never ever try to talk to me. Gal na kari mere naal tu.
Hey, Bhumi, listen. Hello, Bhumi. What the hell is this?
Hello?
Hey, Yash. I need your help, yeah.
What happened, dude?
I'm loaded with work. I have to submit my project on the day after tomorrow. Lots of work is left. Moreover, Bhumika has her birthday tomorrow. She'll get unhappy if I don't attend her party.
But your project was almost done, wasn't it?
Inner layers are done. Presentation layer is left.
Are you using AutoBuild?
What is it used for?
Hey man, it is very useful software to speed up designing process.
But that is of little use. I mean, if I request for it to my team leader, I would get it after 24 hours.
Then download the trial version and crack its key to get the full functionality.
Come on, it is a certain case of software piracy.
Do you want to finish your project within time or not?
Of course, but
See, AutoBuild will speed up the process by 10 times. And who cares for the software piracy? Whether it be operating system or antivirus. I have never used any genuine software.
are you sure?
Of course. Now do what I say. Download trial version of AutoBuild. Get its key from keyhack.com. Use the key to activate. Has it been activated?
Thanks, Yash. You saved me. Wow, this is a cool software, man. I have finished my project. Hello.
Is this Abu?
Yes.
Please report to HR immediately.
Okay. Hey, I need to go. To HR. May I come in?
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Abu. Did you use any pirated software for project development?
Why?
See, our company is facing crucial time, so answer straight.
Yes, I did.
Do you have any idea of its consequences?
What happened?
Whenever any user makes transaction, a pop-up appears causing unexpected interruption and transaction failure.
As a result of which, many users and the bank as well have lost huge money.
Not only this, the pop-up displays that website has been developed using pirated software. Have a look.
See the first page. It is the website's page you developed, but the second page contains the pop-up which get displayed during the transaction.
As a result, AutoBuild filed a case of software piracy against the bank, and the bank in turn has filed a case for the same against our company for providing inappropriate product. Bank has claimed a penalty of $100 million from our company.
Sorry, but there's no scope for any further exchange.
Project. Don't you have any personal life? I don't want any. You have to come anyhow.
Whether it be operating system or antivirus, I have never used any genuine software.
But there was no such problem when I built it.
There was no problem even during testing, as we use secure connection and pop-up blockers. But in public domain, the situation appears.
Because of this pop-up, all users' information become insecure and the website becomes more prone to get hacked.
Bank website has been closed, and this incident has brought shame to our company. See at the last page what media is saying.
Your one inappropriate activity has brought loss of money and reputation to our company.